Subscribe Hexatech and click the bell icon so that the new video comes to you first. New project ideas. Blynk app. The Blynk app is very essential for the small and the bigger IoT based project. If you do any sort of IoT based project, Internet of Things projects, then Blynk, you should know the Blynk, how it's operate and how to install it in your mobile. Blynk app basically operate with your mobile only. So just go to the Play Store and right here BLY. Now it's came BLYNK IoT for Arduino Raspberry Pi. So now you just go to this with your Apple or anything other IoT mobiles you are using. Then go for the open, and because this is already installed in my mobiles, so you have to install that once. So for my case, I can go to directly for the open. Then once you open, they will ask you for the login and just log into this Blynk app. For that reasons, you should have a Gmail account. So with that account, you have to log into that Blynk. Now I'm going for my small projects, basically that is based on the home automation with the help of Blynk app. So just go for the new project. Right here, the project name. Home automation, IoT. You can write down IoT, Internet of Things, home automation things. So here basically we are going to use the device. So I prefer every times Node MCU. So I will select here. Okay. Basically from where you have to select, you see here the choose device is written here. So here you have to just here is written choose device. Just after home automation, choose device is written, where written ESP8266. There you have to select one button. Then you have to go for the Node MCU. Node MCU, basically I already told you in my previous video, the Node MCU, it comes with the Arduino, you can say Node MCU plus ESP8266. So that is a great advantage for us not to program the ESP8266. So here just Node MCU selected. Now which type of connection you prefer? Either you prefer the Wi-Fi connection or you prefer Ethernet, USB, GSM. Basically for Internet of Things we need a Wi-Fi connection, so obviously Wi-Fi. Now there comes the themes, whether you will use the dark theme or the light theme. If you go for the light theme, it will comes like this, but I prefer the dark theme, so you can make it in the dark theme. Now you have to go for the create. So your system is ready. The hardware you are using Node MCU and the connection type you are using the Wi-Fi. So now your system is ready. So just say create. So now one authentication token was sent it to my just mail ID that will be sent, and you have to say just OK. Then automatically you will get this authentication code ID, and this is very important for the authentication code, because during the programming to the Node MCU, this authentication code you have to enter. So just go to the authentication code. Let's check the authentication code. Go to my Gmail ID. Authentication code for the high project devices. Basically that I generated before. Now I generate another new project, so I think it will come to my mail. Let's check. Yes, it's came, the Blynk authentication token for the home automation. Just now here it's written authentication token for the home automations of IoT projects and device home automation IoT. Now here if you can see the author token. So I am just selecting the author token. Now this is the author token. This is very important, because that author token you have to copy, and this is basically, we can say, is the API application API application performance index, or like that. a number, that number is unique for this project. Only this project will work with this number through IoT. That means through Internet of Things. Means the Blynk with no, if this number you give it to the device, the Blynk will understand this is the device, not the other device. So just you have to make the copy and make sure you have to store this number to anywhere else in your computer, or otherwise you can store it here itself in the Gmail also. So now comes to the main program, just interfacing. Now as I already selected the project, so yes, the home automation. Now what you have to do here, you have to select the items. So that's from where we will get the item. So first, this is already selected, project name. No, this is already done. Now we have to go for the deny all these things, no need. Cancel. Okay, so now what you have to do, just check. Before you have to select double time here, then automatically here it will comes the home automation just before the screen is here. So I just remove, I am starting from again from the first part, just for your understanding. We already got the author token in your Gmail ID, or that I got in my Gmail ID. While you are using that, you will get in your Gmail ID. So this is the home automation system. Just click this screen 2 times. Automatically, if you click this screen 2 times, then the window will be different. You will get the home automation. Now here you have to add the devices. Here you click this one, the first thing, the home automation IoT, shared version, no need, dark things, no need, everything is selected here, no need to do anything. Just you have to add this. So this is very, very important. Just listen. Here you will get a plus symbol. The plus symbol, once you add, then you will get the different buttons and all these things. So here, because this mobile you will use as an interface, just to control this the hardware device that is remotely placed. Okay, so I want to control my fan and light, so I select the button. So I have to select the button only. So select this one. So button, I selected one button. And another things, remember, once you open the new, then your energy should be 1800 something, or 2000 they are giving. But if you are going to make some complicated projects, so then just as a super chart and the video streaming, all these things are there, but you have to purchase. But here this project is very small, so no need. Another button I need, because I going to control the 2 lamp, so 3 lamp and 4 lamp. So if you check here, the first button, now what you have to do, just I select the first button first, then the button I say it's the bedroom. I put the name bedroom 1. Okay, and output pin 0 to 1 we can say. But here you have to select the pin, because from the which pin you are connected, because you are connected to the digital pin, so you can select D0, no problem. So D0, so here D0. And here mode is a push button, just a push button, because we are not using the push button, we are not using the calling bell, so we are make it as a switch. And off means off and on means on, that's okay. So once it is finished, that is already installed. So go to the back side. Now you can see here is written the room number 1, that is the D0. Now go to the second one. Like this, you have to select the D1, and 0 to 1 is okay. Switch, push to switch. Then go again. D0, D1 is selected. Now you select for the D2. Okay, push to switch, finish. And now go for the last one. Here you check no, D2 and D3. Okay. Here I for the last three things, so we are not mentioning the room number. So first one is the room number, second one should mention the room number. So write room number 2 is okay. So room number 2 is selected. Now go for this one, write room number 3. No problem, it's came. Now write room number 4. So now you can check, now that is already selected. Now you can select this one, and you can drag and drop anywhere else or wherever you want. Like that, I selected this my door. Here also you can mention some of the, because here we are going to make a home automation, only just we on and off the the lighting or fan with the help of this app. So only on app switch is enough for this project. So here the system is already ready. Now what we have to do, you have to run this one. But here you can check on the device, it's showing the red color. That means this device is offline because we are not connected any device. Home automation IoT is offline. That means we are not connected anything. So from the Blynk part, it is ready. No need to do anything in the Blynk part. Suppose any if in the future you want to add something, then you can add again with this window. You can add again the plus, and you can control the slider, vertical slider or slider. Slider means we can control the speed of the fan, like that. Just pin here a slider we are using just for uh, send on release slow value or something, just for controlling the fan around all these things. But sometimes if it is not required, then what you have to do, just make it recycle. So you put in the recycle, then automatically it will comes to the window. So this is the things, nothing is there extra. And if you want to make with a different board, you can change. If you forget the IoT API key, then from here or itself you can send this one. So this is very simple. So now our Blynk app is finished. Now in the next video I will make just the how to program the Blynk in your hardware devices, because this is the software devices. Here you have to make this application. Suppose you are in America, you want to make on and off your switch in India, you can do it from this app. So let's finish it here. Please subscribe my channels, and I will bring some beautiful ideas with beautiful projects. And at the same time, in this channel, so we are running now and fundamentals of electrical engineering. At the same time, so we will slowly will start as a fundamental of electronics and the digital engineering. So those who are doing some the higher level project also, they can also request me for to upload. This is basically a BTech or diploma level project that we can go with. So just this is the fundamental of Blynk, and the next we will go for the higher version. So just subscribe my channels and spread these channels as much as possible, so that we can grow both together. So this is your channels, so hope you will enjoy near future. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and put the bell icon so that the new video comes to you first. Thank you for watching.